I love design because design has the power to change lives and how people live. I'm an interior designer. My name is Aamir Khandwala. Welcome to our NoMad project. The goal for this project is for one to travel from New York to Paris, Morocco to California and back again. It all starts here in the entrance hall, starting with this incredible rug that's made of a gold metallic leather. The wall color evokes the color of the desert. It's a Cadillac finish, which is a Moroccan finish. The chandelier is French 1940s, an ebonized mirror, and the cabinet is French 17th century. Even though these pieces are from different times and places, they come together because we know how to put them together. We wanted the living room to be comfortable and cozy. One of the first things we chose was this 17th century Turkish carpet, as it grounds the room. We use this incredible daybed by the window. You can look out when you see Madison Square Park. The sofa is in the style of Givenchy. The coffee table belonged to my client and was handed to her by her father. The accent wall is using the same Cadillac Moroccan plaster finish. We wanted something very earthy in this room to ground the space. What connects the dining area to the living room is again the rug, as it lays the foundation of this room. Another interesting piece is the metal and mirror cabinet. What we love about the cabinet is how it reflects light in the space. The round table and the sculpture on top of it, it's a great way to separate the two spaces and also to walk around the table as one appreciates the sculpture from all angles. We love the shape of the table, which was customized to our space. The chandelier is French. It's a contemporary design that came from our client's inventory. We wanted to channel old New York in our kitchen, and we did that by using black lacquer cabinets, which looks really chic and also reflects the light from the park. We knew we needed an island to separate the kitchen from the living space with this stellar white marble top, a farmhouse sink. The pendants are by Christophe Combe, and the backsplash is Zilich tiles made in Fez, Morocco. The kitchen is not only sophisticated, but also functional and user-friendly, and it's part of the journey. In the den, we designed everything. The sofa was covered in a boucle fabric with this custom trim from Samuel & Sons. The stools were designed in oak with leather tops, and the walls are covered in fabric designed by Robert Keim. We wanted this room to feel like a warm, stylish embrace. The main bedroom is unabashedly feminine and bold, evoking 1940s Hollywood glamour. One of the standout features of the room is this custom headboard that's covered in a velvet. The lamps are made using porcelain flowers, and the nightstands are custom made. The reason we picked this light fixture is because it's very light and looks like the moon. The combination of all these pieces is glamorous, feminine, and bold. Experiencing this apartment is like traveling the world without ever having to leave. I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you on the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.